Do you want to pay very less money to buy one CNC milling machine and own 3 type version function?
How many machine of hours you can get with the same budget? Three-axis designed with ball screw, high-precision linear guide rail, and lubrication pipeline. 5-axis rotary table is installed with harmonic reducer, connecting with motor directly, more precise. Quick plug design, 3, 4, 5-axis flexible, 3 uses in 1. Completely closed design, simple and reliable, easy to maintain. Bigger, but economical and practical. More stable, no extra cost, user-friendly, closer to actual operation. Low construction and operation cost, small occupation, more time to practice.